बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। डियर सब्सक्राइबर, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम टू माय चैनल आर टू लर्न। इससे पहले वाली वीडियो में हम लेक्चरर पाकिस्तान स्टडी 2018 का पेपर किया था। अब हम 2015 का पेपर करते हैं। तो चले स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की वीडियो। उससे पहले चैनल को लाजमी सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा। Sir Ahmed Khan was established an institution in 1854 with the objective to translate books from English to Urdu and Persian, known as the Scientific Society। ये दो क्वेश्चन बुला रहे हैं, आगे ठीक हो जाएंगे। The real founder of the Darul Uloom Deoband was मौलाना मोहम्मद कासिम नानातवी। शाहजादा अब्दुल कयूम 1863 to 1937 had rendered great service for the educational uplift of Muslim of KPK. The Central Muhammadan Association was founded in 1877 by Sayyid Amir Ali, under which act was the Muslim demand of separate electorate first conceded by the British government. The Indian Council Act 1909, the Constitution of All India Muslim League, was drafted by committee in 1907 headed by Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar to protect the interest of minorities. It was provided in Lucknow Pact 1916 that no bill will be resolution affecting the country would be passed if 3/4 of the representatives of that community were opposed to it, which amendments were proposed by Quaid-e-Azam in the Nehru Report 1928 to make it acceptable to Indian Muslim. All of the above. Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar has started publishing his famous English newspaper Comrade in 1911 from Kolkata. Liaquat Ali Khan joined All India Muslim League as a member in 1923, which was the significance of 21st annual session of All India Muslim League. Allama Iqbal delivered Allahabad address. Which of the following leader helped Quaid-e-Azam in the preparation of 14 point Muhammad Ali Johar under Gandhi Environment Pact 5th 1931? It was decided that the Congress will call off its civil disobedience movement. The Government of India Act 35 divided the country into 11 provinces. In provincial election 1935, All India Muslim League was one largest number of seats in United Province. The Indian Muslim observed Day of Deliverance after the resignation of Congress Ministry in 22 December 1939. Pathway to Pakistan is by autobiography of Chaudhry Khaliquzzaman. Chaudhry Rahmat Ali first used the word Pakistan in his pamphlet Now and Never in 1933. When Quaid-e-Azam say Hindu and India Muslim parted and parted forever, when Congress rejected his proposal modification in Nehru Report 1929. ये 2018 के पेपर में भी ये क्वेश्चन आए हुए। Identify the Secretary State of India who led the cabinet mission 1946. Lord Patrick Lawrence. Mohtarma Fatima Jinnah joined All India Muslim League in 1937. Lahore Resolution of 23rd March 1940 was seconded by Sindh Province by Abdullah Haroon. Congress launched Quit India movement against British government in 1942. Gandhi Jinnah talk were held in 1944 to discuss the CR formula prepared by Raj Gopal Acharya, who presided over Simla conference in 1945. Lord Wavell. In the term government 1946, the health minister was Ghaznfar Ali Khan. After Sir Aga Khan, the next president of All India Muslim League was Rajesh Sahib of Mahmudabad. The Hindus had launched Swadesh movement to boycott English-made goods in the wake of partition of Bengal 1905. The Pirpur report on the brutality of the Congress Ministry 1937-39 was compiled by Raja Muhammad Mehdi. The British Parliament passed India Independence Act 14 July 1947. Who among the following leaders had translated the Lahore Resolution from English? Maulana Zafar Ali Khan. Quaid-e-Azam met M.K. Gandhi for the first time in 1916 at Lucknow. Identify the viceroy who made August of 1940 Lord Lytton. The national anthem of Pakistan was approved by government in 4th August 1954. Who administered the oath of office to Liaquat Ali Khan was the first Prime Minister of Pakistan. Quaid-e-Azam, which is the following archaeologist site was discovered in 1955. Mohenjo-daro. Which is the following glacier is located Karakoram range, Siachen, Baifo, Hispar? All of these. The Babusar Pass connect Aptabad to Gilgit. Quaid-e-Azam Janad, A Story of Nation is biography of Quaid-e-Azam written by G. Alana. The total length of Makran Coastal Highway is 653 km. The artificial forests are being maintained at Changamanga. Which of the following fort was built by Mughal Emperor Zainuddin Babur? Bala Which of the following district of Balochistan contain huge deposit of copper? Khuzdar. Hana Lake is situated in Balochistan. Which of the following mountain peak is situated in the Hindu Kush range? None of these. How many seats are reserved for women in National Assembly of Pakistan? 60. The only national election held in non-party basis 1985. Chandka Medical College is located in Larkana. Nuclear Research Laboratory at Kahuta was set up in 1976. Pakistan's largest trade partner is China. Pakistan joined Organization of Islamic Cooperation in 1969. Who is considered to be the first poet of Punjabi language? Baba Farid Ganshakar. The first Wafaki Muhtasib of Pakistan was Justice Sardar Muhammad Iqbal, the first Wafaki Muhtasib. Pakistan became member of International Labour Organization ILO in 1947. The first water accord was signed among the poor events in 1991. Which of the following was signed on 8th April 1950? Liaquat Nehru Pact. Malakhara is a famous game played in the province of Sindh. Mast Taqwi was the prominent poet of Balochi. Hafiz Jalandhari is the author of National Anthem of Pakistan, which contained in his book Chirag-e-Seher. Which of the following dam is situated at highest altitude? Wali Tangi Dam. Archaeologist site Bamboro is located at the district of Thatta. Identify the city which receive हिलाले. इसका मुझे कंफर्म नहीं है. 61 का 62 है. Identify the city which receive हिलाले इस्तकलाल for their heroic resistance during 1965 Indo-Pak War. Sialkot. At the time of independence there were numerous principal states in India. Which state was the biggest area? Hyderabad. Deccan. Hazrat Bahauddin Zakaria was prominent Sufi saint of Sarwardiya order. On July 9, 1950, Pakistan became the member of none of these. Decimal system was introduced in Pakistan 1st January 1961, which was the first missile launched by Pakistan. Hataf. Pakistan-Afghanistan border dual line was drawn in 1893. Pakistan-Afghanistan dual line drawn in 1883. On July 9, 1948, Pakistan issued its first postal stamp on 9 July 1948. Which of the following provisions is the part of Objective Resolution 1949? Fundamental right of citizens shall be fully safeguarded. The duration of national anthem of Pakistan is 80 seconds, 1 minute 20 seconds. Under which constitution bicameral was introduced in Pakistan 1973? The Pothohar Plateau contain the mineral deposit of rock salt, gypsum, oil. इसका आंसर है all of these. Pandit Nehru, who had been assuring the Kashmir to give the right to self-determination, went back in his promise when Pakistan joined SEATO and SENATO Pact. Pakistan joined IMF and World Bank on July 11, 1950. To become member of bank under IBRD article agreement, two country must first join the International Monetary Fund. Membership in IDA, IECF and MIGA are conditionally on membership in IBRD. Source website IMF and World Bank. 75 है. In largest desert of Pakistan is Thar. The oldest barrage in Indus River is Sakhar Barrage. Of the total area of Pakistan, forests cover only 4.8%. How many times Pakistan become World Olympic Championship in hockey? 3. Heavy electrical complex and heavy forge and foundry. 2 big engineering project in Pakistan were established with the technical and capital assistance of China. Pakistan joined World Trade Organization 1995. Who is the author of book titled Muhammad Ali Jinnah and Ambassador of Unity? Sarojini Naidu. The first princely state of accession to Pakistan after partition was Bahawalpur. Pakistan in the 20th century, a political history is book written by Lawrence Ring. Quaid-e-Azam served All India Muslim League as the president of 15 years. The national animal of Pakistan is markhor. The federally administered tribal area FATA consists of 7 agencies. Pakistan's first nuclear power station was built at Karachi in 1972 with the provided by Canada. The first constitution was promulgated on 23rd March 1956. The Prime Minister of Pakistan was Chaudhry Muhammad Ali. The first chairman of Senate was Habibullah Khan. How many National Finance Commission Award (NFC) have been announced so far? 7. The first Urdu newspaper daily published after the creation of Pakistan. Umroz Karakoram Highway start in Pakistan from Hawaliya. Which of the following institution was first introduced United States Constitution? All of these कौन से हैं? नेशनल फाइनेंस कमीशन, नेशनल इकोनॉमिक काउंसिल और काउंसिल ऑफ कमीशन ऑफ इंटरेस्ट. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग Muslim country voted against Pakistan administration into United Nations 1947? Afghanistan. Sachal Sarmast is the Sufi saint of Sindh. On September 959, Pakistan acquired Gwadar from Oman. December 1958. The number of letters in Urdu language is 39. The first SOS village in Pakistan was set up in 1977 at Lahore. Satpara Dam had been constructed in. After the creation of Pakistan, first radio station was established at Karachi. अगला जो हम वीडियो बनाएंगे वो पेपर होगा पाकिस्तान स्टडी का 2011 के पेपर. तो उसके लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और बेल नोटिफिकेशन दबाएं ताकि आपको फ्यूचर वीडियो की अपडेट मिलती रहे. अपना ख्याल रखिए. अल्लाह हाफिज़.